Hello class and welcome to Unit 9. In this unit we're going to be moving away from Microsoft Excel and taking on Microsoft Access. We'll be utilizing Microsoft Access for the rest of the class this semester. So you'll want to get familiar with it as quickly as possible. In this unit, here are the things that we're going to be working on. You'll start out as usual with a Discovering Computers reading. This one's on digital technology, data, and devices. Remember, you can always do the optional PowerPoint item to give yourself an outline of what's there. Once that's complete, you'll want to do the quiz. Very similar as previous quizzes. There are 50 questions worth 2 points each. There are more than 50 questions available, so if you take the quiz multiple times, which you can, you may get different questions or even the same questions in a different order. Upon completing that, you'll want to do a journal. This week's journal is on webcam websites. So go ahead and do some research here and do a good write-up. You guys have been doing really well with the write-up so far, so I look forward to reading this one. Upon completion of that, you're going to do your first reading on Microsoft Access. This module is on the basics of Microsoft Access. You're going to find that there are similarities between Microsoft Access and Microsoft Excel in that it's a very grid-like UI, but it does introduce you to database concepts which have far-reaching usefulness outside of just Microsoft Access. I've added this optional video here. This gives you an idea of where the value is in a database versus just keeping all of your information in a spreadsheet. You'll be doing your first textbook project in Microsoft Access, so you'll follow the same format we normally do with textbook projects. You'll read through the chapter, and then as you go through the chapter, you'll find those numbered items and then use that information to put into your start file access database that you'll download. Upon completion of that, you'll have the normal Access module training and Access module exam. I just want to note that now that we are in Access, the Microsoft Office version that's available from Macintosh computers will not have Microsoft Access available, and you cannot access Microsoft Access from the web version of Office 365. So you will need access to either a Windows-based computer that you can pull down the full version of Office onto, or you will need to utilize a virtualized environment. I know a few of you have already asked for that, and I've given you access to it. If anybody else needs assistance with that, please let me know, and I'll do what I can to help. That's it for this one.